Good morning. I'm here with Desiree and Aya. Aya. Say hi. And we are repacking all the school supplies we bought the other day, because on February 8th, which is Monday, which is Chinese New Year, we're gonna go to the mountains in Danao and deliver these and also have some activities for the kids. Thank you to my cousin Henry Maglenti, who donated the money for this. So all of these school supplies here are sponsored by my cousin Henry Maglenti. Thanks, Henry. I call him Sonny. Thanks, Sonny. Alright, we've got scissors and pads and crayons. Yes. And bond paper. Alright. Oh, and pencil sharpeners.
Oh.
So, Aya, bye-bye. Yeah. Aya is 3 and she's helping us repack the notebooks. Good job, Aya. Oh, no, that's not a good job. Oh, ow. You almost had it. You almost had it. Yeah. So it's community dinner time and I'm pretending it's supposed to be my day to cook, but they kind of took over. So get the knife off. So tonight we're gonna do the Cooking with Desiree show. Okay, so this is Desiree. Say hi, Desiree.
Hi.
And what are you doing here?
Putting some oil.
She's putting some oil. Let me turn on the light. So what is our dish for this evening?
Halang-halang.
Which means?
Spicy chicken.
Spicy, well, technically spicy now. If you just place the oil, what kind of oil is that? You see, we're using Bambi Premium Vegetable Oil, all natural coconut oil. Look, let's not show that on the camera. How did that? So this is the raw chicken. So now, oh, I'm missing it. You added the what? Garlic. Yeah, ajo. And then the onion. And then the ginger. That is 2 kilos of chicken waiting to be added. Just everything? Yeah. Alright. Do you cook often, Des?
No. Only in fiesta.
Oh, fiesta. Aya, matabang ka? You wanna help? Oh, I missed it. So much for cooking with Desiree. Alright, that was vinegar, and this is soy sauce now. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. All I ate today was 3 biscuits, 1 apple,
Diet.
and tapulan diet. Diet sa tapulan. Okay, what are you reaching for?
Asin.
Asin. You're adding salt even though there's already soy sauce?
Just a little.
Okay, if you say so. See how much asin she puts. She wants to see. Here, this girl wants to see, so she's pulling on my shirt.
Lamig. Wait until it boils.
Okay, we're waiting until it boils. Okay, we're back. Now that it's boiling, now what?
Let's wait until the sabaw will
So we're gonna reduce. Wait, that's the, what's it called? That's the like official master chef word. So we're gonna reduce the whatever. Reduce. We're reducing. I watch a lot of Top Chef. I used to watch a lot of Top Chef. Alright, we just added the Sili's
Sili Spada.
Spada? It's called Sili Spada. Espada. Oh. Cheese. This is Aya. How old are you, Aya? How old are you? 3? 3. 3. You're 3 years old. She doesn't hear me. Aya's deaf. She goes to a special school for the deaf. So we talk in sign language, right? Yeah, she does it early. Mwah! But she understands the language of love. Baba. Baba.